Welcome to the Mirth Minute, brought to you by the Mirth Connect User Group. Today we're going to work on changing databases. This is number 3 in the series. To change the default database for Mirth Connect, go to the installation folder, usually under program files on a Windows machine, Mirth Connect, go to the CONF folder, conf, or configuration, and then you want to open the mirth.properties file, which is located here. Once in the mirth.properties file, you will see the database setting here. Notice the old setting here was set to Derby. You have 5 options: Derby, MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, or SQL Server. In this case, we've changed it to Postgres. Then you have the same settings here. You have to change your database URLs. Notice this was the default, which was Derby. Change it to the new URL. So you would just copy this from this location and then put it here. Lastly, you want to enter your username and your password. So in this case, I've got my username is my Postgres username and my password is my Postgres password for the Mirth database. To change the default database on a Linux server, you first log in using a terminal session. Notice here I'm logged in as root. You cd to the directory where the Mirth Connect system is installed. Notice there I have a mirth.properties file. You're going to edit that file. I use VI to edit my files on a Unix platform. You can use other editors. Notice this file looks very similar to the file that we were working on with a Windows system. Notice here you have the same options. Change the type of database to Postgres. Here are the same options. Change the URL here, and then set your username and set your password. Once you set your mirth.properties file correctly on either the Windows or the Linux environments, you're going to need to go to the admin console for the database that you're choosing. In my case, it's Postgres and it's pgadmin4. Drop down here, go to login groups and roles. Notice here I've created a user already. Properties, there's my username. That has to exist in mirth.properties. And then you set your password. It's the same password that was set in your mirth.properties file. Mirth is a registered trademark of Nextgen Healthcare. The Mirth Connect User Group is not affiliated with Nextgen Healthcare.